Forget your record. Wow, ang cute naman ito. Wow. There, oh, there's a train. Na. Hi. Say good evening, ate. Vlogger yan eh. Vlogger yan eh. Mag-vlog ka na.
Huy!
Hi guys.
Vlogger! Hi guys! What? My favorite giraffe!
Oh, wow.
Can we go?
Okay, you can go pero you have to wait kay daddy. Later lang ha. Casey, you have to wait. Look, oh. Casey, come here. You swing here. You swing here. Akin na yung water mo.
Ay, here we go. Let's go.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Pwede maglaro yung mga bata.
Can you swing me, guys?
You can. Move your hand. Yeah, move your feet. Yeah, just like that.
Wee, this is so much fun.
You wanna meet the goat?
I'm gonna see rabbit.
You want to see the goat, the chickens? There's also a rabbit here. Look, oh.
Where's the rabbit?
There.
Hold it.
No, no. Don't touch the anak.
That's why.
I don't know. I'm not sure if it's
But where's
safe
the
or not.
crocodile?
Walang crocodile dito.
Wow. What is this? This is from
For
pets?
improvement pa siya.
This is from pets? Huh?
Look, oh.
Can I?
There's a big chicken. Let's go.
Hi, chicken.
You see the rabbit?
Yes, I want to hold them because it's for kids.
We're not allowed to hold it.
Because we need to gentle. Because we need to gentle rabbits.
Hmm.
We need to gentle it. Hello, rabbit. This is so cute. Hi, kitty rabbit. This is really a baby.
Come here.
Where is the hog?
Big chicken, oh.
Where is?
Come on.
I'm not to like it.
Mom Lucy gonna like it.
Yes.
There's a pig here.
Where's the pig?
Look, oh, here.
Hey, that's a hog.
Oh, it's a hog. Oh.
Wow, wild pig. Hi, wild pig.
Oh, look at ng tail nila, oh. Happy to see you.
Wow. Ganda. Wee.
You have to sit. You have to sit.
Oh,
You wanna
I
sit?
choose the red one.
Okay. You put your feet here. Yan. Okay. You can do it. You're brave.
Yeah.
Wow, hawak ka, hawak. Hawak. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yee. Wee.
Wee.
You happy? You happy?
Try again.
You try again. Hold tight.
Try again.
Try again, please. Okay. Wait, mommy. Yeah. That's so funny. That's so fun. Careful. Okay. Oops. Okay, where do you wanna go next? There.
I'm gonna swing.
Ang ganda ng place. Hindi siya masyadong crowded. Kukunti lang yung tao kasi weekdays, Monday. After ni Casey yes, you can go. You hold on tight. Come on. You can do it.
Can you help me, guys?
Yes, I can help you. Mommy's gonna hold it. Come on. Yes, sit.
Drive.
Mm.
Do you want to
Mommy's-
come?
No, mommy's gonna swing it. Wow, you hold on tight, okay? Mommy's gonna swing it.
Ah.
Wow. You like it? Goods dito kasi meron silang kainan. Yan, pwedeng kumain yung mga parents. Cafe with dinner na sila.
And we have a pet.
And then may mga pets. Ang cute kasi parang learning place pa para sa mga bata. Cute.
Oh, I'm going to swing. It's so pretty. Go, just down the swing. Mary, like spotted him. This time, we gotta see a crocodile. Roll, you boat, gently down the swing. If you see the crocodile, then
Don't forget to swim. Swim ang nasa isip ko. Scream pala yun.
Dad, come on.
Daddy, come on. Join her. Oh, my daddy's so big. It's gonna sira. Oh, sige, daddy. You swing.
Hindi balance.
You swing, daddy.
Tulak mo kami.
La! Ako pa talaga nagtulak, be.
Hindi balance eh.
Okay lang yan. Oh, row your boat, nanak.
Go, you boat, down the swing. Mary, like spotted
Ang ganda ng place. Mas maganda to kapag gabi na. Dito kayo sa swing. Anong tawag na dito? Casey, what's this?
Teeter-totter.
Teeter-totter. Wow, social. Alam ko nito, siso lang to eh.
Daddy.
Alam ko sa ganito siso. Pero yung anak ko, teeter-totter.
Hey, I'm winner.
Okay, you go with teeter-totter. Oh, you hold on tight, okay? Daddy's gonna help you. Woo! Teeter-totter. Wow! Oh, hold on tight. Wow! Ah?
Pangalay sa tuhod.
Siyempre matanda ka na eh. Yan yung favorite niya dyan daw. Ikot mo siya, daddy. Masakay siya dyan. O yung sakay na anak.
I like it.
Ato hindi ato.
Pambata yan, hindi ka pwede dyan. Masakay siya. Then si daddy ang maikot. Oh, mahawak pa siya. Ayusin mo upo.
Ayos ka na po.
Sit properly, anak. Yan. Wow.
Ako, ah.
Ganito.
Ha?
Parang inuutaw mo na lang.
Daddy. Ganito.
Hindi, bibitawan mo, ginaganon yan. Yan! Woo!
Ano daw?
Wait, I can get here. Okay, kasi, wow, ano yan?
You get nervous? Huh? Are you scared?
Wala doon, oh.
Can I go?
Sabi niya gusto niya hawakan yung rabbit, pero hindi ko alam kung pwede.
Nanunuklaw yun, rabbit.
Rabbit?
Lunok?
Ha?
Lunok?
Ah? Cute naman dito, ano?
Ah.
Cute siya.
Kid friendly, tapos pwede ka pang kumain. May pagkain sila dito. Mamaya itatry natin yung pagkain.
Because rabbit likes carrot.
What's that, Casey? What is that? Is that a merry-go-round? No.
A merry-go-round.
That's a merry-go-round. Wow. But it's not a horse.
But
Whee!
Tita likes it because he wants to go in the orange.
You want Aviana to be here? You want your classmate here?
Yes. We need to call.
This is a nice place, right?
We need to call Tita Karen.
Eh, Tita Karen. Okay. Daddy, that's a hog. Hog.
Hog.
Wow, Daddy, that's a hog. Now you know, Daddy.
Ulaw.
Ulo. Ang tingin ni Daddy ay ulam. Ma-ride siya sa ano, sa train. Nag-aambon na.
I'm gonna go here na. Garden. I'm gonna go to the garden.
You wanna go to the garden? May dog dyan? Wow, na-meet na ni Daddy ang kanyang long-lost brother. Long-lost brother. Hi, brother. Oh, Daddy, coffee.
Mommy.
Coffee bean.
Coffee beans. Look, coffee beans. Oh.
Mommy, this is my sister.
Is that your sisters? Pwede pong hawakan yung rabbit?
Pwede po.
Oh.
Lalabas po.
Oh, we're gonna touch the rabbit. Lalabas ni Kuya.
The rabbit. Tanggalin lang natin yung tuta. Hello, my little doggies. You are so cute.
Lalabas anak yung rabbit. Ilang years na tong ano niyo Kuya?
Ay, months pa lang ata po.
Wow. Kasi nga, ang galing no. Ang galing na nakaisip nito.
We need to jump.
Habang kumakain yung parents na ano yung mga bata.
Na nakapaglibang.
A poop?
Pag ano po
Mommy, what is that? A poop?
Oh, anak ko, yan na yung rabbit.
Matalas lang. Matalas lang ang kuko.
Ay, wag mo anuhin sa kuko.
Sa head. Sa head lang.
Ay.
Matalas
Ano siya?
Matalas.
Si Kuya na lang pahawakin mo. Hindi marunong ang daddy. Kumaano eh. Nag-aalpas yung rabbit. Hindi, alam niya hindi pwedeng pagkatiwalaan eh, yung humahawak.
It's not a pet.
O sige na, tapo na siya.
Parang nagpapalit siya.
O, di ba behave siya pag si Kuya may hawak? Pag si daddy, wala siyang tiwala. Sabi kasi ni daddy, wow, ulam.
Anong kanya ha?
Ha? Carrots and grass.
Vegetable. And chickens have eggs for the breakfast. Oh,
You want to feed the rabbit?
Yes.
You want to feed the rabbit?
Then daddy, you want to pet.
Ang galing ano?
With the other baby rabbit.
Sabi ni Mark, parang may lahi daw yung aso.
Baby guy.
Lahing aso. Mamaya mga gata, may mga asong ayaw nang kinakarga.
Mommy, Mama, another rabbit. No,
Casey, come here.
it's a bunny. And this is
Pwedeng kunin yung mga bunnies, tapos pwedeng hawakan. Pwede rin daw pakainin. Ang galing.
and that's Lijan. Liza and Liza. Is that spicy?
No, it's not spicy. Oh, hawakan mo to. Hawakan mo to. Ganyan. Oh. Ganyan, ganyan. Ah, sige. Pakainin mo yung rabbit.
Kain na.
Subo mo. Ang layo naman. Ipasok mo.
Nagdila lang, nagdila. Ay, nagdila.
Hindi. Ipasok mo masyado. Hindi na lang maabot eh. Pasok
Say,
mo.
Kain
Yan.
na sila.
Oo, nagkakain sila. Say thank you, Ate Casey.
You're welcome, rabbits.
Thank you, Ate Casey. Wow, very good naman si Ate Casey magpakain ng rabbits. Huwag mo lang ibigay yung daliri mo. Hindi naman. Mami na.
Yung rabbit mabilis lang magparami ng lahi yan.
Wow, that's so cute there, guys.
Kasi dito nagkakamo.
And what the chicken's eating?
Mm-mm.
Aso na mga matay.
Oh, marami dati.
Tik-tik yung ano.
Ah, nasasakal ng mga bata.
Ay, oo. Dapat may guidance talaga.
It's a pet.
Hindi
Isa naman
pwedeng
po pag
hayaan.
nakakatakas yung aso ata. Inaano.
Ah, okay. Madami daw dati dito. Kaya lang,
Kasi
ano.
po dati po pag-ahapon, nilalabas po yun dito talaga.
Nandito sa cage.
Oo.
Ito dito.
Are you?
Hawakan mo dito. Yan lang. Parang gusto ko nang kumain.
Are you
Tara.
done, guys? Are you done?
Gutom na ako. Bigyan mo na sa kanila yan.
Done na sila.
Oo. Bigyan mo na sa kanila yan.
How about dahon?
Bigyan mo na yan sa kanila.
Atakin nila.
They need to eat some
Let's go na.
Let's go eat some healthy foods, okay?
Let's go
Okay.
get some healthy food and coffee. Let's go coffee, anak ko. You want coffee?
Coffee beans.
You want coffee? Are you happy? Oh, wag mo. Anak ko. Casey, bigyan ko na.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingo.
Yes.
They want to eat chicken and spaghetti?
Hmm. I want spam with rice with fries.
Maganda siya kasi, yes, you can drink.
Akala ko
Video. Maganda siya, walang wifi, hindi nakakapag cellphone si kagapay mo. Yun ang kinagandahan niya. So, maganda, very relaxing yung place. Ayan, pagtsagaan nyo na yung cellphone kung medyo malabo yung camera. Mukhang magbababad tayo mamaya ng puting labahan. Kasi may batang, ayan no, kalat. Casey, magkakain sila dyan. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.